Uh-oh, toys are everywhere. Clean up time, show we care. Pick them up one by one. Cleaning up is so much fun. Blocks go here, blocks go there. Put them neatly, show we care. Books on shelf, nice and straight. Clean room feels so great. Clean, clean, clean with a song. Sing and tidy all day long. Doll to bed, car to park. Clean up time till it's dark. Floor is shiny, look around. Clean and happy what we found. Look around, tidy sight. Everything feels just right. Clean up done, clap, clap, clap. Happy room, take a nap. Clean up time, sing again. Tidy room, happy friends. Wake up, sun is bright. Let's start our day. Good morning light. Brush, brush, brush our teeth. Clean and shiny, smile beneath. Splash, splash, water cool. Fresh and ready, feeling good. Breakfast time, yum, yum, yum. Energy for everyone. Bag on back, shoes on tight. Off to school, what a sight. Play, play, play and run around. Laughing, jumping, happy sound. Dinner time, sit just right. Eat our food, yum, delight. Splash, splash, bath so clean. Warm and cozy, nice and neat. Pajamas on, light so low. Time to rest, nice and slow. Good night world, see you soon. Morning comes, let's sing. Let's make sounds, come along. Animal sounds, sing our song. Cow says moo, moo, moo. Hear it loud just for you. Dog says woof, woof, woof. Jump and bark so cute and poof. Cat says meow, meow, meow. Purr so soft we love it now. Duck says quack, quack, quack. Flap, flap wings, let's all act. Lion says roar, roar, roar. Gentle roar, not too sore. Monkey says ooh, ooh, ah. Swinging high, come play with us. Elephant goes paw, paw. Big fun sound just for you. Bird says tweet, tweet, tweet. Flying high, isn't it sweet? All the animals hear them say, let's sing sounds again today.